going? I thought you want to say hi to the guys. Hoy! 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 Ma! Tika? Where are you going? Sinundan niya yung ate niya. Hey! Good morning! Good morning! Happy Wednesday! I wanna see them. Okay. Where's the guys? Hi, guys! Hey! D! Is that D's? That's Ate's. Comb your hair. It's for the hair. It's for the hair. It's for the hair! Comb your hair. Okay. Thank you. Mama? Where's Daddy? Call Daddy. Where's Daddy? Call Daddy. Ang ingay-ingay nito. Pag sinabi mo, tawagin mo Daddy mo. Ang ingay-ingay niya. Daddy! Where's Daddy? Call Daddy. Call Daddy. Daddy. Louder. Daddy. Good morning, beautiful. Ganda ng ate natin, oh. You look so pretty, my love. I love your big bow. Hindi na talaga namin nahanap yung maliit na bow. Sa Shein ko to nabili. Ang ganda nito, guys. Mas maganda to kaysa sa isa. Kasi yung, ano niya, yung clamp niya, ganyan. Yung isa kasi clip lang. So, nahulog. At saka wala na. Nawala na. Ang dami nang nawala nitong batang to. Nakailang hats na yan. You wanna show this?
This is my trophy.
From?
Dance class.
From dance class, yeah.
When did I start dance class?
Sorry?
When did I dance?
You started at 2, yes.
And then 3.
You stopped at 4. Because you went
To gymnastics.
You went to gymnastics at 4, yes. And now you're gonna go to big gymnastics for 5-year-old. Are you excited? Why not?
I like my better.
But they don't do proper gymnastic stuff. They were just playing. This one you will do proper gymnastic stuff.
But what am I gonna do about hairspray?
Yes, you can. They will teach you. No. What do you need?
I need the wet one.
Alright. 1 second. Let me just feed this girl.
Yum 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 yummy
What?
yummy.
Okay. I needed to get a wipe for toys. Good job, Didi. Yummy, yummy in my belly. Yummy, yummy in my belly.
Yummy yummy.
Yummy, yummy in my belly. Oi! Who farted?
Indy.
Indy, was it you, baby lamb? It was Koi's, wasn't it?
No, it's Indy.
Was it?
No, it's Indy.
Okay, Didi, you farted. Big time. Big time fart.
Indy is so funny as you fart.
Silly Didi.
Baby Daddy farted.
Silly Didi.
Baby Daddy farted.
Maybe Daddy did, yeah. Where's Daddy? Call Daddy. Call Daddy. Oi.
Stop there. Stop there. Stop there.
She's almost done, Arlo.
Oh no.
She's gonna beat you.
Indy Daddy wear a turtle costume.
Yeah, she's got a turtle costume. She's got a lion costume. What should she wear?
I like the turtle one.
You like the turtle one? Okay.
Yeah. It's so cute turtles.
It is a cute one.
I don't want to be the Joker.
Yeah, no. You will be the police officer.
Yeah.
Well done. Do you want more? Where's your Milky? What do you say to Mama? Say ta. Say ta. dancing, Didi. Hands, ta-na-na, ta-na-na-na-na. Go dance. Ooh, almost done. Keep going. Good morning. Magluluto ako, guys, ng tortang okra for lunch. Meron akong 5 okra. Nandun na. Binili yun ni Dan kahapon. Hindi ako nag-vlog kahapon, but Dan went to Long Life Asian. Bumili siya ng mga gulay, prutas. Guys, binilhan niya ako ng langka. Isang ano to, yung meron talaga siyang, ano bang tawag nung, basta, hindi siya nakaganito ba? Ako na lang gumawa nito. Parang meron talaga siya nung kanyang, kung saan siya nakalagay. Ano bang tawag doon? Sabihin ko sana shell. Hindi naman siya shell. Basta kung nasan yung bahay niya. Yun talaga yung binili ni Dan. Maliit lang. Gusto ko ngang kainin na lahat para maluto ko yung ano niya. Yung kanyang buto. Pero lunch muna tayo. You okay? You alright?
Yeah, I want.
What do you need?
I want one snack.
Snack?
Just one snack. Okay?
You already had a snack.
This one, Mama.
Okay.
That one. Yeah.
What snack are you talking about? So, lalagyan ko siya ng onion. So, pinakuluan ko lang yung okra ko. Tapos, itutorta ko siya. Kakapatulog ko lang kay Indy. Ang tagal naman natulog ng bata ko. Anong oras na ba? Where's my phone, guys? Hello? Have you seen my phone?
No.
Hala, kanina ko pa yun hindi nakita. Can you, get it for me, please? Baka may tawag yung daddy mo or text yung daddy mo. Is it on the couch, boys? Where's my phone, hello?
Oh, wow.
So, itlog. 2 itlog. Kasi nga, ano lang yun, guys? 5 lang talaga. Ilagay ko to dito. Meron ako ditong frozen na, what's this? Spring onions. Ay, ang sarap nito. Ayan. Okay na siguro to. Bubble gum? Lagyan natin vegeta.
I need to inside my tummy.
Yeah. Peppa.
Mama, I don't inside my tummy.
Really?
And give me bubble gum.
Oh, we don't have bubble gum, Alo.
Let me see.
There's no more.
Let me see. Let me see. Let me see.
Lagyan ko konting milk para fluffy ang ating itlog.
Bubble gum.
There's nothing to see. We don't have it.
Let me see bubble gum. Let me see this no bubble gum. Mama, let's do some good. And that's some good. And let's do some good.
Okay, get you good.
All by myself.
All by yourself. Ta-ding! Yummy. Yummy, yummy in my belly.
Mama,
Yes, mate.
did you get Captain America?
I like Captain America, yes. Oh my gosh, he looks good.
Yesterday you got me a present.
I did, yes. Was it yesterday?
Yeah,
Really?
yeah.
I didn't get you any present yesterday. You were in school yesterday.
And time ago.
Long time ago, yes. Long time ago. It's only 10:47. For some reason, akala ko noon na. Parang hindi naman siguro ganun katagal siguro ko napatulog si Indy. Feeling ko lang siguro yun. Ang aga ng ating ano pala ngayon. Lunch. First time ko itong gagawin. So, I'm not sure kung ano magiging resulta nito. Nakita ko lang to sa TikTok. Sabi ko, ay parang ang sarap naman yan. Yung bumubula yung itlog. Ay, ang sarap. Hintayin ko na sobrang uminit yung mantika. What?
Did I watch the video?
No little videos, thank you. Yummy, yummy! Yung gusto ko yung bumubula-bula. Yan. Tikim agad. Uy, kalana. Gusto ko nang kumain. Kain tayo, guys! Lagyan ko ng ketchup. Tingnan nyo yung aking monitor. Walang tao. Nakalimutan kong ilagay ng ayos, but I can hear naman. So, walang problema. Alright. Maya na yan si Arlo kasi ang aga pa. Tikman muna natin tong aking... Parang masarap nito kamayin. Tikman muna natin. Yan. More on itlog siya. Pero sinadya ko kasi na ganun. Kasi baka hindi ko magustuhan. But it's good. That's good actually. Masarap kamayin. Kamay nga ako. Uy! Kade! Kade so.
I'm the police officer. You stay here, go do some stuff, buddy. So you stay there.
You stay down here, Alo.
You stay down here, Alec. Okay, buddy?
Just leave it open. Leave it open in this night here. Do you wanna eat now?
No.
Here, I'll feed you.
Play your eye on it.
I'll play, okay. Whoa.
Don't the punch.
Punch.
Yeah.
Ooh, good shield, Captain America. Very good shield. Oh, no. He's gonna lose. Iron Man's gonna lose because you've got a good shield.
Yeah.
Oh, he's dead.
No.
What are you pointing? She's awake, everyone! And alam snack. Kain na naman, Daddy. Where is... Bakit yung phone ko lagi na lang nawawala? Wait. Gusto ko mag-dessert din habang kumakain ka. Is that okay with you? So, yung ulam niya is... Alams na, ang paborito ng ating D. I know. Sorry na. I wanna make sure it's small for you. Okay. Shh. 1, 2. What a life! Kakagising lang, kain agad. Masarap tong gulay kasi ang lambot na. Leftover na kasi to. Hindi ako nag-vlog ng Monday at saka Tuesday. Kasi tinapos ko yung mga videos ko para wala tayong maraming nakastock na videos. Yummy. Yummy gulay. $11:40 pa lang ng umaga pala. Ang dami ko na iniisip na kailangan kong gawin, guys. Oh no, you have runny nose. It's okay, I just have to wipe it. Hold on, I'm sorry.
I have a shield.
You have a shield?
Big shield.
Yeah, big one. Big shield you have.
And you try to save.
Yeah. Are you gonna let me work lang? Yeah?
It's running off, Mama.
Oh, wow. You're doing amazing, Arlo. Kumakain na din si Arlo pala. Are you finished, mate?
Yes?
Let me see your plate. Hindi na ako nakakain. Kain tayo, be? Oh my gosh, that is so cute.
I told you, Mama, it's chilled.
I love Pikachu.
But I have Pikachu too.
That's good. Alright, ready to see Ate?
Yeah. I say, Atta, I find Pikachu. Mama, I will hide it in my pocket.
Okay.
And I say, let your Pikachu is inside my pocket.
You think she's gonna look for it?
Yeah, and he can't find it.
Oh, Arlo, can you hand me my phone, please?
Okay.
Thank you, boys.
My arm is so young.
I know, you're growing.
I'm outside. I just do. I will put Pikachu's inside my pocket.
Okay.
I told you I need a toy by Pikachu. Mama,
Yes?
yesterday is bad time.
Yeah.
Henny walks all by himself.
Who did?
Yeah, and that's amazing.
Yeah, that is so good. We are home. Nandito na si Ate. Indy's in bed. Antok na yun, guys. Nakatulog siya on the way back. And tinransfer ko siya and she's fine. Dinner namin tonight is green beans, lagyan ko ng carrots, and pork. Habang tulog si Indy, gawin na natin to. Iniisip ko, ano ba yung... Meron akong iniisip na kailangan kong gawin, pero hindi ko maalala kung ano. Oh, yeah. Hindi ko na yun magagawa. Siguro try ko mamaya. Dumating na yung passport ko. Dumating siya last week. I have an Australian passport now. Dumating siya last week. So, very worth it yung pag-add natin ng $100, guys. Parang 1 week lang ata siya eh. Sabi kasi nila 10 days. Basta hindi siya inabot ng 2 weeks. Dumating yan again last week. Kailangan kong i-update yung aking flight details kasi yung pangalan ko sa flight natin for Philippines is yung nasa old passport ko. Iiba na yung pangalan dito. So, kailangan ko siyang i-update. Yeah, yung may piece here. I-update ko siya pala. Iyan pala yung gusto kong gawin. Pero mamaya na. I-ano muna natin to. Sinisip ko talaga. Meron kang gagawin. Tinry ko siyang i-update online. Hindi. So, kailangan ko silang tawagan. Actually, tawagan ko na sila habang kakatayo ng mga Singapore Airlines kami eh. So, tawagan ko sila just to update my... Feeling ko may bayad to. $50 USD will apply.
Welcome to Singapore Airlines Contact Center. Please enter your 6-digit PIN. Press hash. If you have an existing booking, press 3. Then press 1 and we will send you a link to the page.
Hi, this is Razel. Good, how's yours? I just wanted to change the name of my booking because I changed passports. Yep, let me grab it 1 second. It is 6, C for Charlie, total of 5. Yes. Oh, I just got my Australian citizenship and the passport details that I have there was my Philippines passport that's no longer active or valid. The current passport. So same first name, Razel. Yes. Yep. Okay. Yep. That's alright. Yeah, that's fine. Thank you. Yep. Yeah, I've got marriage certificate. I've got change of name certificate as well. Okay, yeah. So you're gonna send me an email and I'll just respond to it. Is that it? Okay, yep. Photo of the documents, alright? Just photos? Yeah, okay, that's good. Cool. Yes. Okay, yeah, that's alright. Yeah. Okay. Yes, please, thank you. Alright, that's alright. Let me. So you want passport, marriage certificate, and change of name certificate. That's alright. Can I put you on hold for just maybe 5 minutes? I just need to attend to someone. Is that okay? So, okay na. Walang bayad. Hindi ako pinabayad. Na-update na niya yung aking name. Thank you sa tumulong sa akin. Pinoy. Alam ko yung mga alam ko kapag Philippines call center. So, thank you sa tumulong. Yeah, in-update niya lang yung name ko. Binigay ko lang yung passport, marriage certificate, change of name certificate. Tapos, pinalitan na niya. Tapos na. Galing, di ba? Thank you very much. Oh, good. Manood lang akong Showtime, guys. Habang ginagawa to. Tapos na pala ako magluto, guys, ng dinner namin. Ng mga kids. Yung kay Dan Snitzel, yung kanya, sulutuin ko maya lang. 6:30 na yung dating niya eh. 5:52 pa lang. So, kain muna kami ng kids, tapos lutuin ko yung kay Daddy. Yes, baby? Ham. You know that? No? Alright. Sarap naman ang ulam ng ating beer. Ayan na. Dinamihan ko ng sabaw. Tapos inano ko din. Niluto ko ng bongga yung gulay para makainiindi ng walang problema. So, ito, sa aming dalawa na tumidi. Sabay na kami. No? Yes, baby. Kumakain na si ate dun. Wait. Wait, babe. I can't see, my love. Just wait. Do the sounds and I'll tell you. Matt. Is it Matt? Yeah, Matt. Let's go eat. SIT sit, yeah. Yun yung dinner ni Dan. And ito yung maingay. Pakaingay ay. Pakahirap. Karga lang tayo ng kargawa. No, I can't have bubblegum. Yeah, dumating na si Dan. Tawag na naman. So, malis na naman. But, we'll take a shower. Si Arlo guys, tulog.
Mom, kiss me.
Okay. Demanding much. Let's go take a shower. Let's not wet your hair. We'll be quick because we're not washing.
want to take a shower.
Come on. What did Daddy do to your head?
He did all my hair out.
He pulled all your hair.
Yeah.
He shaved your head.
No, he pulled off my hair, and that's what.
It doesn't hurt.
And I put a mouth over my hair.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Does Mommy need to fix it tomorrow?
I like it, and I don't want to fix it.
You like it? It's not patchy?
I like it's not patchy.
It looks patchy. The guys can see how patchy it is. But you like it? You like patchy head?
Yeah.
Let me see your hair. See? Daddy shaved it. And very patchy ng pagka-shave ni Daddy. Let me see, Alo. Let me see. I'll fix it tomorrow. Shinave niya kasi nung Late na kasi to nag-shower kasi nagising late na. Nag-ano ba naman? Natulog ba naman ng napakahaba? 8, ano na guys? Anong oras na ba? Oh, 9:31 na. Kakatulog lang ni Indy. Gusto ko mag-edit. Mag-edit muna ako before bedtime. Kasi bukas, marami kong gagawin bukas. Ito na naman ako. Inuuna ko na namang isipin yung mga gawain kaya napapagod na yung aking utak. Anyway. Ay, dagdag pa yan sa gagawin ko bukas. Ayusin ko yung buhok niya. Mag-edit lang ako. Alis kasi kami sa Friday, tapos sa weekend na. So, gusto ko sana marami ako nakastock na video before kami umalis. So, I'm gonna, yeah. Edit lang ako. Thank you guys sa panonood. Sana nagustuhan niyo yung vlog natin today. Please like, please subscribe. I hope to see you soon. Love you.